All right, this is our 6.2.7 Applied Lab Reorganizing Presentation Slides. After going through the skills and the challenge labs, the applied lab should be relatively easier for you. So I'm going to go through these kind of quick so you can replay them, pause them, whatever you need to do. So for number 1 says reverse the order of the second and third slides on deductive and inductive reasoning. So I'm going to drag this one down and drop it. Delete the 4th and 5th slide. So there's slide 4. I'm hitting the delete key, and now that's slide 5. So I'm going to delete that one as well. And I'm going to check my answers real quick to see that I'm doing everything correct. So the first 2 are good. Immediately before the first logical flaws and fallacies slide, add a section named fallacies. So here, let's jump up. Yep. So that's our first logical flaws and fallacies slide. So we're going to go and we're going to add a section right before that. And we are going to call that one fallacies, Fallacies. And we're going to rename the default section at the beginning of the presentation. So this one up here, the default one, I'm going to right click on that, rename it, and we're going to call that one introduction. And then we're going to insert a new title and content slide at the end of the presentation. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, put my cursor down here, and do new slide, title and content. And then I'm going to check my answers real quick. All right, I got 4 out of 7. All right, and then it says it wants you to hide the newly created slide. So I'm going to select hide. Number 7 says save the changes of the presentation. So I'm going to go File, Save As, Browse. Oop. So it doesn't want me to do that. Sorry, back up. It just wants us to save it. And then it says to resave. So I'm going to go Save As, Browse, Documents folder. And we want this to be in a PDF format. And we're going to leave the name Logical Fallacies and click Save. And at that point, check your answers. Should have a 7 out of 7. Good luck.